Let's say your remote has stopped working. You've made sure that your switch is on, but your remote doesn't seem to have any LED indication. Well, maybe it's time to recharge your remote. First, let's take a look at the underside of the remote. The Ultra and Solar remotes both have rechargeable batteries, but the Flexi remote does not. Look at the back of the Flexi remote. These remotes need to have their batteries changed. Let's take out the battery. You can slide it out, but since we're having a bit of a difficulty, we are poking it out with a straightened paper clip. After poking the battery, wiggle it out. Now we can change the battery to a new one. The Flexi remote uses a CR2430 battery. To put the battery in, insert it at an angle, then slide it in. Now on to the Ultra and Solar remotes. These remotes are rechargeable and comes with a micro USB port. You can use the micro USB cable that comes packaged with all Ultra and Solar remotes. Plug it in and you can start using your remote straight away. Otherwise, it should take around 30 to 45 minutes to fully charge. You can see that it is fully charged when the blue light is stagnant. These remotes can last you for months. Upon receiving your remote for the first time, the Ultra and Solar remote should last around 1 to 2 months as it is not fully charged. Once fully charged, it should last you 3 to 6 months. Now you're ready to use your Steigen.